this is very serious, and right about now I want to hire a private investigator to get to the bottom of this story, because this story is full of a lot of loopholes and holes and secrets, and I need to find out the truth and get to the bottom of all of this. Now, my ex-husband, right, he died in Ivory Coast. Now, I did not know that he was working in Ivory Coast. My ex-husband did not inform me of his decision to leave France to go to Ivory Coast to work, right? I had no information about this. However, his parents, which is the grandparents of my child, told me that my ex-husband died while working in Ivory Coast, and the only information they gave me was that he was working for a Swiss company in Ivory Coast. Now, my ex-husband died sometimes in November 2022. He is a French citizen, Caucasian descent, and that is the information that I am putting out there. I am not putting out his full name at this time because I have been advised not to do so currently. However, I need to hire a private investigator to find out what happened in Ivory Coast and to find out his cause of death. Everything has been closed mouth. I was not allowed to attend his funeral. I asked his mother, which is the grandmother of my child, the time and date of the funeral and the place of the funeral so that I could attend. She refused to do so, and she gave me no information regarding that. So I did not see him being deceased. I was just told that he is deceased and he is buried. Now, I have no idea where exactly he is buried, because I don't know where his gravesite is or anything like that. Everything is closed mouth, okay? And I think that information can be the key to helping me get back custody of my son, because this family is very secretive about everything that they do, okay? So please, guys, I am asking you, anybody out there who wants to help me with the hiring of this private investigator, I will be doing a GoFundMe page, okay? And I will put the link, and so anybody who wants to donate to the hiring of a private investigator so that we all can learn the truth about what happened to my ex-husband. And not only that, but I need to get a lawyer as well. The grandmother is returning to family court again. She filed paperwork asking for parental rights to the child, okay? Remember, guys, we just left family court where she asked to raise the child maintenance from 150 euros to 600 euros. However, the judge decided that instead of raising it to almost 600 euros, the judge decided that I am supposed to pay 250 euros every 5th of the month. So guys, I need good lawyer, I need a private investigator, and I am going full force in uncovering the truth and getting myself acquitted from all these criminal charges and get back custody of my child. That is the decision as of now, guys, and I'm asking you, anybody out there want to assist me, can donate to the GoFundMe. Big up on yourself. Peace. I'm out.